But I'm an engineer. So I'm an engineer by trade, by school, but I jumped the fence a long time ago into sales and marketing. So I can get a little technical if I need to. But yeah, this is some information I think that you guys will get a kick out of. I've listened to this live cast before. You guys have talked about, Spyker spreaders and the different spreaders that you guys are using at home and, different things. So, I kind of took that into mind when I was putting together these few slides, just to tell you how, how we do it and how it might make your lives even more exciting and make your lawns your neighbor's envy. So, I was thinking about the analogy of, and I know there's a lot of fans of this spreader out there, and I'm going to show you guys how we can improve even on this, professionals. So I kind of put this, this is the Pinto for me. It does the job. It gets me from A to B. It's not real sexy, but the results will be okay. I'm kind of jonesing, I'm keeping up with the Joneses. But I look at my lawn and I say, because this is probably my lawn, I got more work to do next weekend. So it's never over, unless I move to a condo. The job is never done. But in reality, with Spyker and some of the things that we're going to talk about this evening, some of the features and benefits that we can provide in the one spreader that you'll buy and never probably replace, unless you want to make it, get a bigger one, let's say. Who doesn't want a bigger one? So, it looks great. And I used I was going to use a Ferrari, but I thought that was pretty corny. So I want to use some good American muscle. And so we got this is also in Kentucky, which is where I am. But yeah, 20 years in the States, and a number of those years working for Spyker and in different roles here, and just trying to get the word out. Spyker's been around a long time, and the world's changed in let's say advertising or marketing. Social media is huge. So I think, again, you guys are doing a fantastic job here at the live cast, and just excited to be here and kind of talk about what we can do.